Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I got another box in the mail today. Pretty excited to open this one up. This is something I've been picking up in times past. Saw these for a really good deal, especially compared to what I paid for them previously when I was buying them. So why don't we go ahead and take a look. Alright, I already cut the box open a little bit so I wouldn't have to fight with that. But I haven't taken it out yet, so I'm not really sure what I'm going to find. I can tell you the box is pretty heavy. It's a pretty good amount of PMs here. So why don't I pull it out of there and see what's in here. I mean, I sure do appreciate secure packaging, but when it gets to the point where you almost have to hurt yourself to get into it, yeah, it's a little too secure. I still haven't figured out how to get into this thing yet either. We finally get to the goods now. Tear this open. And another box. Wow. It's like one of those Russian toys. Is this the final packaging? Oh, I think we finally made it. Here we go. This is what I picked up, folks. What is in here? This is 7 100-gram Scottsdale bars. Oh yes, if you remember from my previous videos, I was collecting 10 of these to get a kilo of Scottsdale bars. I got that kilo plus a couple more. This guy had a deal I found online for 7 of them. And let me tell you something, the pricing was great. The pricing is actually less than you can buy off of Scottsdale's site themselves. So let's take a look at these beauties. Oh man, I love these 100-gram Scottsdales. This is actually, I have one of these as my pocket piece. Actually, Mrs. TV and I both carry one for our pocket piece because they're so cool. So they fit in the hand perfectly. They're just really, really nice. Zoom out a little bit. Got so many of them, can't fit them all on the screen. Look at these, huh? 7 beauties. Oh, jeez. What do you think about that, huh? Some of them have a little bit of tarnishing in there, which is cool. See a little yellowing in there. Flip that over. So let me tell you what I picked these up for. A lot of times I don't share the exact pricing, but I'm kind of happy what I paid, especially compared to the past. So I was able to get these 7 bars for $600. Free shipping. That works out to $85.71 a piece, so under 86 bucks. I'll tell you what, I still see these on auctions and people are paying more than 86 bucks for them. I saw this and knew that this was a really, really good deal. So I went back to my eBay history, which is where I bought a lot of my previous Scottsdale bars from. And I'm looking up, now this was last year, and of course we all know that where spot price is and timing is important. But last year, when I was putting my kilo together, which was 10 100-gram bars, I was paying prices such as 136 bucks, 140 bucks, another one for 140 bucks, 132.50, 135 bucks. So we can see here I got these things for about 50 bucks less than what I paid for my previous kilo bars. And when I saw that, I just had to have them because, again, these are one of my favorites. I love Scottsdale. Scottsdale's an awesome minting company. They do a lot of stuff. A lot of coins, a lot of gold, a lot of silver. And these 100 grammers are just the perfect size. That works out to 3.215 grams of silver, ounces of silver per bar, 3.215. So that works out to 22.5 ounces of silver in these 7 bars, 22.5 ounces. So that's pretty cool. Now where spot is, that's a little bit of a premium, but Scottsdale bars come with premiums, and I'm telling you, based on what I paid before, this was a great price. And we all know the silver's going to go back up. It's just a matter of time, right? I mean, we're just in a time right now where everything's kind of in a bad spot. Nothing's really doing well out there. Stocks are down. Gold and silver is down. Things are just down right now. But we all know it's time to buy during the dip. And this was a good buy during the dip, right? This is some awesome, awesome silver and at an awesome, awesome price. So I was pretty happy to pick this up. I've been looking for some opportunities to buy during the dip and some quality stuff. If, I use the bracker type strategy where I want to have like brand name stacking, I'll buy some generic once in a while, but I really like to stay more into some, name brand type of stacking without going too expensive, right? And I'm not talking about American Eagles and paying those high premiums, but I do like to buy things that have a reputation from a good minting company instead of just a Buffalo that nobody knows who made it, right? I mean, LCSs will buy those off usually for spot, maybe a little less, maybe a little more, depending on the conditions. But I like to have something where I can, take it out, hand it to somebody, and there's no doubt on the quality and reputation of a Scottsdale bar, right? It's great. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that purchase. Got them for a great price. If I have 3 more, I'll have another kilo of Scottsdale 100 gram silver bars. And like I said, I probably have 3 additional over the times of just buying stuff, but I'll take a look at my stack and next time it's available to me and see what I can find. And I'll probably put these 7 in with it. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and always remember, let's keep talking bullion.